Hello, welcome to EPRAM for this evening. I am Daedren. Dancehall artist Skeng can now add Billboard charting artist to his growing list of accolades after the Little Miss remix featuring rapper Nicki Minaj debuted on the Billboard Rap Digital Song Sales Chart and currently occupies the number 4 position. Since its release 2 weeks ago, the visual for the remix has accumulated over 3.1 million views on YouTube, while Skeng's original video remains ahead with over 3.5 million views. With all the excitement now surrounding the project, Little Miss has spawned a second remix dubbed Fine 9, which was released last week by Minaj, and this could push the song further up the charts in the coming weeks. Jamaican reggae singer Etana is back with a new project. Acoustic Gold is set to be released later this month. Acoustic Gold is the first in a series of acoustic songs recorded by Etana. The album contains 7 tracks and is a mixture of a few of her most popular songs and new unreleased songs. The national scene, where on Sunday Call of Duty released a trailer for the new installment of its video game series Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and enlisted a few music industry heavyweights to get fans inspired to play. The promotional video titled Squad Up features artists, athletes, actors and popular internet streamers like Lil Baby, Nicki Minaj, Pete Davidson, Kane Brown, Jalen Ramsey and David Long, just to name a few. As the video progresses, each celebrity appears on the battlefield, on the street, or in their homes, illustrating the variety of people who have played the popular shooter series throughout its almost 20-year existence. Those who digitally pre-order the game will be able to play its campaign as early as October 20. That's it for EPRAM this evening. I am Daedren. Thank you for watching.